Well, first, let me lament the fact that we can ask any one of us in any room, I don't care what age you are, provided you're done with school, and ask, how many teachers, of all the teachers you've had in life, for most people that would be like scores of teachers. You know, is it 70, 80, 100 teachers? Some maybe as few as 50 or 40, but still in the high tens. Ask, among all your teachers, how many made a singular impact in your life? How many changed you in fundamental, important ways? Unfortunately, the answer to that question is almost always no more than this. 2, 3, at most 5. For me, that number is 3. And that's not unusual. So what gives here? By the way, they wouldn't have to be science teachers. I'm talking about teachers in any subject. And what makes those teachers special is that you could have no interest in the subject going in, and you come out and it's the most interesting thing you've ever heard in your life. Those teachers convey something special within their students, an enthusiasm, an excitement, a passion. So one of my great laments is that education today seems to be less about passion and more about process, more about tactic or technique. But I don't know anybody who said, boy, I love that teacher. He or she gave a really good homework set. Or, boy, that was the best class I ever took because those exams were awesome. That's not what people want to talk about. That's not what influences people in one profession or another. It's how well the instructor imparted their passion for their subject in their students. And just extend this to the sciences. We all know people who were turned off by science because they had a bad teacher. That's the worst case. The teacher now has the opposite effect of what education ought to be. So I don't know what to do. Do we rifle through the educational system and like get rid of those teachers and clone the others? I don't have an easy silver bullet there. But I do know, but that shouldn't prevent me from citing at least part of what the problem is. I want to see more impassioned teachers than are currently out there. And if you can light a flame in a student, that's half the work.